Imagine this. What if everything we know about the universe is incomplete? What if the invisible force that shapes galaxies is not just matter, but something alive? A cosmic organism so large, we can only detect it through gravity. This is not science fiction. This is a scientific thought experiment. And if it is true, it could change our place in the cosmos forever. At 1. The mystery of dark matter. Dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. It makes up more than 85% of all matter in the universe. But we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, and we cannot detect it directly. It does not emit light, it does not reflect light, it does not interact with normal atoms. Yet, its gravity is strong enough to hold entire galaxies together. Without dark matter, galaxies would fall apart. Stars would drift away. The universe would look completely different. Scientists have proposed many theories. Some believe dark matter is made of unknown particles, WIMPs, actions, sterile neutrinos. But after decades of searching, we still have not found a single particle. So we must ask a new question. What if dark matter is not made of particles at all? 2. A radical possibility. Here is the mind-bending idea. What if dark matter is not matter, but a form of life? Not life like plants or animals, not life made of atoms or molecules, but something far more ancient, something far more massive, something that spans across galaxies. Imagine a cosmic life form that exists on scales we cannot imagine, a being made of gravity, structure, and energy. Not biology as we know it, but biology on a universal level. Imagine that the patterns we see in the universe are not random. What if they are part of its body? 3. The cosmic web connection. Scientists have noticed something strange. When we look at the cosmic web, the large-scale structure of the universe, it looks surprisingly similar to a neural network in the human brain. Both systems have nodes and filament. Both distribute energy in similar ways. Both grow through branching and clustering. Both seem to process information. 2 structures separated by unbelievable size differences, yet they look almost the same. This does not prove the universe is alive, but it raises a powerful question. Why does the universe look like a giant brain? 4. If dark matter is a living organism, let's explore the implications. First, what if gravity is not just a force, but a biological function? A way for this organism to maintain its structure, a way to move energy, a way to communicate. Second, what if galaxies are not just clusters of stars, but components inside a much larger body? Maybe galaxies are organs, maybe they are cells, maybe they are parts of a living system. Third, if this organism has existed for billions of years, it might have its own form of consciousness. Its thoughts might last millions of years. What feels long to us might be a single moment for it. Fourth, if dark matter forms a network across the universe, and that network processes information, then perhaps we are part of that information. We might be tiny nodes, we might be small signals, we might be part of its cosmic mind. 5. The philosophical shock. If the universe is alive, then everything changes. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are part of a much larger system. A system that might think. A system that might evolve. A system that might have intentions beyond our understanding. Maybe stars forming. Maybe galaxies growing. Maybe black holes appearing. Are not just physical events. Maybe they are biological processes. Maybe they are part of a life cycle. Perhaps the universe did not simply begin with a big bang. Maybe the universe was born. So, what if dark matter, the force that holds galaxies together, is not just matter, but the heartbeat of a cosmic organism? If this idea is true, then we are not just exploring space. We are exploring the body of something far greater. Something ancient, something immense, something alive. The universe might not be a place we live in. It might be a being we live inside.